Yes, my friends, welcome back again. Welcome back to HumanitZ. I've done a little bit of looting, a little bit of shooting, and a little bit of base building. I've upgraded my beast, as you can see her. She's a beauty. She's a badass beauty. I've got the front zombie scooper here, which is totally made out of scrap. Then I've got the scrap wheel spikes, and I've got the scrap rear protection and the window protection there. You see the wheel spikes there? They are deadly. I've got the extended roof storage as well over there, as you can see. And that gives you 3 rows of roof storage. Then in my van, I've got my electronics and cable and battery that I need for the radio tower fix. I also carry a sleeping bag because wherever I go, it starts getting dark, and then I can just pick a safe spot, and I can sleep the night away. Very quick and easy, and then continue with the mission instead of returning home the whole time. You get me. I also have my trusty combat shotgun. This thing is a beauty. She's deadly. That's what she is. Yeah. I also have my handy sword. Kia! Deadly. Absolutely deadly. Then I've got my Desert Eagle. Fucking thing slaps. And yeah, let me take you through my base. I've built this big old gate over here with a side step where I can shoot zombies as they come and look for trouble. Over here I've got my vehicle bench. This is where you make all the stuff for the vehicles. I've upgraded my front protection to iron front protection. That's going to be real good. And eventually I have all these things installed as well. I've got this one installed, and I'm going to install this one in 2 minutes. I've also got a generator. I managed to pick up a Jenny. There she goes. And a little bit of light there. And a cement mixer, where you can mix, you guessed it, cement. So this house is completely blocked off from this side. Around the other side of the house there are no windows, so no zombies can get in there. It's only one window there. Blocked it off. Over this side, window protection. And it's blocked off this side. The zombies can't get in. They can't do anything from there. I might extend the base eventually. Take it around the back. Make some farm plots around there. Even use this as a storage or a vehicle storage. The zombies and NPCs can't get over this fence here. Well, not yet anyway. Over here I've got my cooking station. And I've got loads. I've got a tailoring bench. I've got my crafting bench. Over here I've got my crafting material. Crafting material. Crafting material. Vehicle parts. Over here's my bedroom. Here I've got my melee bench, where you can do some melee crafting. I would like to make this thing. This thing looks badass. Here I got my smelter. My furnace. My bed is over there. Got some more storage over here. This is my trading storage. All the stuff I'm willing to trade, I put in this one. This one is my ammo crate, where you got all the ammo and weapon extensions and stuff like that. This is all tools, melee weapons, ammo, and miscellaneous type of stuff. This is all my weapons I got. This is quite cool. I've got a deadly AK-47. This thing slaps. I've got loads of shotguns. Loads of shotguns. I've got an M1 Garand. That thing is very grand. I've got an AR-15. This thing slaps hard as well. I've got a hunting rifle. This thing zooms out like crazy. I want to show you. I want to show you the zoom on this thing. It's bonkers. Another MK-18 over there. That thing is nice as well. I've got a bazooka. A proper bazooka. What else have I got? I've got my compound bow. This thing slaps hard as well. This thing slaps zombie ass all over the place. I wonder if I should give this a go. Should I try this? I might try this. Let me show you this weapons. Oh yeah, over here I've got... Oh, this is all my food. This is all my consumables, basically. Here in the kitchen, I've got a salting table where you can make salted meat. That was in there already. This house has got a salting table. Then over here, I've got my chemistry station where I do my chemistry experiments. A CB radio. And my guns and ammo bench where I will eventually make ammo. Over here, I've got some more parts, weapon parts, gun parts. Okay, let me show you the zoom on this fucking thing. This thing is bonkers. Look at this. Look at that. Now, zoom out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the zoom on this thing, man. Look at that. That's bonkers. Nice. Some really good zoom. I love it. Now, this is good if you want to see zombies coming or stuff like that. Or if you see NPCs coming towards your base, you can just pop them off. Even before they realize what's happened. This thing is silenced. And it's got a scope on it. That's why it's zooming so nicely. Yeah. This thing slaps hard. It's also good for finding mining nodes. If you're not using the map. The online map. And it's also good for finding deer to hunt. I've also found a hose. This thing was impossible to find, man. It took me ages to find that thing. Now, the hose is very important if you want to find some petrol. Here I've got my table saw, where you put the logs and you get some more wood when you make it. Let's make some arrows. I'm going to make a couple of arrows first. Let me see. I've got so many containers, it's crazy. Yeah, let's make some arrows. How is that? 25 arrows. That'll do for now. Let's pop that back in there. So instead of that, I'm going to use that. How do I repair my compound bow? Does that take a weapon repair kit as well? Weapon repair kits are so expensive, man. Let me see what I can do. Okay, I can use duct tape to repair that. That's good. And it's 100%. That's cool. So yeah, you can use duct tape to repair that. Oh, that doesn't go in there. There we go. Okay. So that's helpful. You can use duct tape to repair the bow, which is really good. But yeah, ammo repair kits are very expensive because weapon parts are not that frequent to find. So I've managed to siphon off a lot of gas for my beastie. I've got a bit of spare food and water there. So what I'm looking for today is a weapon, not a weapon, a radio transmitter. So let me see my quests. So I went to Caesar, started the quest for that one guy wants sugar. I'm supposed to look for Marty. Now Marty is way on the other side of... He's over there. Their base is here. What the hell is he doing all the way there? I'm not even going to bother with that. So I've got all the pod except for one. And that's the radio transmitter thing. And I have a rough idea where I'm going to find it. So I'm going there now. Here we go. Hudson City. I believe it's where I'm going to find it. Hey, buddy. Hello. How you doing? Oh, you're a trader. Hannah. I like it. Uzi Extended Magazine. I need this. I need all of this. What would you give me? I give you all of that. I'm happy with that. Thanks, Hannah. I will catch up with you again. Hannah Montana. This is what happened to Hannah Montana. For any of you who wants to know. Okay, so now I got my gun parts. And quite a fair amount as well. Alright, let's see if I can make it through this checkpoint with my car. I think I'll be able to squeeze her through. Let's see. Come on, beastie. There you go. There's a lot happening over here. Right. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna jump up here. I'm gonna start taking care of these guys. I love this thing. Let's just attract all of them. I love watching their heads explode. Like that. It's brilliant. So reload. Weapon is jammed. Come on. There you go. This keeps jamming. It's on 21%. This is why you need weapon parts. Right, that took most of my ammo, but that's all of them gone now. That's all of the zombies gone in the immediate... Oh, there's one crawler. Let's just take care of this guy. Where is he? There you go. Let's just see what they have. Where's my other arrow? Gone. Okay. So, let's see what we can pick up here. What else they have for me? 308. Some cloth. I'm guessing the police station is empty now. So I could probably go and do the police station quick. Gas mask filter. I've done these ones, done that one. Let's see what he's got. 1911. I want to go and find the Radio Shack. And I believe it's this way. Sports shop. There's a fire station over there. Hardware store. Let's just run these guys over. Let's just run these guys over. Oh, we got a loot puppet over there. Let's see what we have. A knife. Come on, assholes. Trading item. $756. That'll come in handy. Right. Let me see. Oh, you guys want some action as well, do you? Take care of these guys quick. I want to check out the hardware store. I'm going to equip my Excalibur. This thing is deadly, mates. It's deadly. Alright, let's check out this hardware store quick. I'm just going to go in the back here. Anything in here? Another generator. That'll be good. That's a good find. And another hose. That's good. I've got 2 hoses now. Another little axe. Nails. A gas bottle. Prices of gas nowadays. That's a good find right there. Yes, sir. Electronics. Sulfuric acid. Right, so one of my hoses I'm going to use to a chainsaw, bitch. God damn, I pack a chainsaw. I'll skin your ass raw. And if my day keeps going this way, I just might break something tonight. Right, I'm heavy now. Right, so one of my hoses I'm going to use... I'm going to keep for filtering fuel from vehicles and stuff. And the other hose I'm going to use to make a distiller where I can make my own fuel. The problem is that I need a funnel, and I don't have a funnel yet. And there's no fun without a funnel. I'm definitely getting up there. I'm gonna sort them out. There's definitely some good up here. There you go, come on. Count your stuff. Oh yeah, that's a gas zombie. Let's see what he's got. Playing cards. Oh, some military crates there by the looks of it. You'll be surprised how quickly... And a Uzi. Nice. UMP-45 and a Uzi. Sweet. You'll be surprised how quickly you run out of ammo in this game. Right, another stink zombies. Oh god. I'm gonna go and get my car. Let's go and get the car. Yeah, let's go and check out this. Gonna make some noise, but it's okay. And there you go. In as sin. Don't even attract any zombies. It's like, why not? I have to do them one by one. There's some good ammo there. Sharpening stone. Purified tablets. A hunting bow. Sweet. Let me check this thing out. Let me check this thing out. This thing is sweet, bro. Oh, nice. Okay, nice. Nice hunting bow. I like it. Let's do this one as well. There we go. We're in. Okay, let's see what we have in here. A tarp. Hedge clippers. Tomato seeds. Antique box. Nothing in there, is there? Some chips. Or as we say over here in England, crisps. Oh, that's locked. 5.56. 9mm. Let's see if I can pick this up. In as sin. Right, pistol extended mag, another AK, AR-15, and a red dot sight. Sweet. I'll take it. Install that on my shotty. Nice. Okay. No more fluffing around. I'm gonna go to my car. And I have to get to the radio store. That's it. That's the one. I got it. But I can jump up there. Let's see. Climb up here. What is this? A fishing hat. I'll take it. And let's chop his head off, mate. I'll chop your head off, mate. Get away from me. Ooh. There's some good stuff in here. Nice. Ooh, there's loads of zombies on top of the roof there. Nice, some food. Scoob sounds. Let's check it. Nice drum set. Right. You better give me my radio receiver. That's exactly what I was looking for. Oh, there's two. Fucking hell. And the battery as well. Let's go fuck these guys up quick. Oh, did you have to do that? Come on, dickhead. Chop your head off, mate. Let's go check these guys on. Wait, that's where I was before. I was on top of the Radio Shack already and I didn't even know. I was on top of Radio Shack. I didn't even know. Yep. Okay, let's go and check out these cars. I don't think any of them are drivable. But there is a locked one over there. Let's see what's in this one. Easy peasy. 2 AR-15s. Sat nav. Okay, man, that was good. 2 AR-15s. Okay, I would say that mission was successful. I'm gonna make my way straight over to the radio tower. Right. So, let's fix this thing up. This. Activate. Activate. Ammo box. Nothing in there. Right, I will come and clear this place up eventually. But I'm gonna go back to Caesar. because that is mission completed. So one of these guys wanted sugar. Let's give him some sugar. Not that type of sugar. Hey, Caesar. Guess what I did? Should be good to go. Okay. I'll take 1 skill point. Oh, cool. Okay. Thanks, dude. Survivor camp northwest of the radio tower. Cool. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye now. Let's see what this guy is. Are you the one that wanted the sugar? There you go. Take it, mate. Nice. Mini. Okay, that's cool, man. Thank you very much, son. Nice. Semi-automatic. Okay. That's cool. Thanks, buddy. Okay, what are we doing for quests now? Check back later for an update. I'm going to take my sleeping mat. Let's deploy this. I can just do it right here. Have a sleep. I'll be safe. And there you go. Let's pick it up. Pop it back in there. Oh, where is it? There we go. Gonna pop that back in the car. And let's see. Maybe I can activate the quest now. I mean, it is the next day. You look pretty able-bodied. Mind giving us a hand with a few things? Of course, man. We're looking to get the main power substation near Hudson City back online. Gotta prep work to get done first, though. Okay. I can do that. I don't have an industrial fuse. Okay. Where can I find these things? Turn on the power station. Okay, cool. Wish you all well. Thank you, matey. Right, so we got our next mission. Let's head back home first. Drop our loot. I'm not even going to drive my car inside. I'm just going to leave it here. I can just jump over the fence. Like so. So that way I can just keep my gate locked. See? Locked. Okay. See if I can install this. Skadoosh. Look at that. Look at that bad thing. Jesus. Imagine getting hit with this. Whack. That's crazy. How's the rest of the things? 82%. My wheel spikes are still good. And my rear protection is still at 54%. 5 weapon repair kits. That's going to come in handy. Let's do like that. There you go. That's me sorted. So my next mission now is to turn on the power station. That's going to be for another episode. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with my rifle. Look at the zoom on this thing. That's cool. That's nice. So yeah, I have to get the power station up and ready. Up and running. That's it. That's it for this episode. Thanks a lot for joining me. Let me just see that handsome face. There he is. There's our boy. Look at him. Isn't he handsome? Yes, sir. So there you go. I'll catch you on the next episode. Thanks again for joining me. And stay safe.